Guys, it's Lo from Nino and Lo, back again with my winter sowing for 2023. So I got everything here ready to go. Getting my winter sowing prepared. So I got all my old containers here filled up with dirt. I really shouldn't say dirt. It's a lovely potting mix. I use Miracle Grows, just whatever I had left over. And I'm just getting ready to get started here. So I'm reusing some of my containers from last year because they're still good. They still have the correct holes where they need to have the holes for good drainage on the bottom. So I'm reusing those containers. I have the markers there that are still perfect, and I still have a lot of seeds that I'm resowing that I resowed from last year as well. I do have some new selections from this year. Got my winter sowing stuff all ready to go. Got my containers all prepared. Gonna get my seeds going. It's winter sowing time, everybody. Get out there and get planting. So for those of you who still need a little more information about winter sowing, just check the links in my description below. I have several videos that I've prepared previously with some in-depth information. So basically you fill the containers with a nice potting soil. Just don't use the dirt from your garden because it's not going to work well. Pick the seeds of your choice. Some of them work better than others for winter sowing, and you sprinkle them into the container after you've added the appropriate holes, of course, and then you tape it up with duct tape. You put it out into your garden. You set it and forget it. And in a couple weeks, when spring rolls around and the weathers are warmer, you'll be so surprised. You're going to have some lovely plants. Let me quickly go through some of the seeds that I'm planting this year. Of course, tried and true snapdragons, they work well for me. Nicotiana, they did very well. I love the way they'll smell. I got a nice variety of zinnias. Zinnias didn't do so well for me last year, so I'm going to wait a little bit on those. And calendula. Calendula did great for me with winter sowing last year, so I'm going to do those again. I have some cleome. Was successful last year with cleome, and I really like those. And some cosmos. And last but not least, of course, the alyssum. And I have the white as well as this beautiful purple variety. So that's it for now, guys. I'll see you again next time. And please, if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and give me a like. And let's be garden friends. Take care.